What's up, YouTube? Brad and Jeff here, Planetary Nutrition, coming at you with a planetary review. What are we reviewing today, Jeff?
Modern Branched Chain Amino Acids Plus.
Alright, USP Labs, Modern BCAA Plus.
What's the plus?
What's the plus? First of all, what do we need BCAAs for?
Well, that's a good question. But what I can tell you is this is modernized, micronized, but branched chain amino acids are...
It's modernized and micronized?
Look, modern.
Yeah, it is modern.
And it says it's micronized.
Well, not everybody's doing micronized. You know, micronized is making the particles smaller, making it easier to absorb, making it mix better, which is, you know, when you're mixing up BCAAs, they tend to be sometimes a little bit gritty at the bottom, especially at the bottom. So I'm thinking this product may be smooth, but we'll mix it up and we'll test it out.
We're going to give it a go for you, absolutely. But as far as branched chain amino acids go, it's got to be a part, especially for those of you out there that are getting ready for your bodybuilding or physique or bikini contest. It's a necessity as you start to trim down to get those branched chain amino acids into your body, either intra or directly post-workout.
So you drink them during your workout. They're good to take to preserve lean muscle tissue while you're dieting down, as well as, you know, if you're drawing back on your carbs, your carb intake, it's going to allow some natural stamina and endurance that you otherwise would not get. So this formula, as well as a lot of other formulas, have things to boost endurance, boost stamina, help with the muscle soreness, and give you that natural energy that you need if you're on a low carb diet particularly.
So a couple of the pluses that they've got thrown in is, number one, you're going to get 15 grams of amino acids
15 grams per serving, and that's including a nice big dose of sustamine, which is a better absorbed L-glutamine. And you're going to get all those other amino acids like leucine. It's going to help build lean muscle tissue and preserve lean muscle tissue while you're dieting, as well as some other things to help with the natural stamina and endurance.
And they even threw in some electrolytes. That's another plus.
Got an electrolyte formula too, so that's going to be good if you're outdoors. You're going to be sweating. You're putting back in those electrolytes that you're basically.
So it even makes the purposes of drinking it in a workout even that much more beneficial for you athletes out there working out with this stuff. So
you got it. It's really good, even if you're a runner or someone that's going to be outdoors a lot in the extreme heat. It'll help you a lot.
No doubt about it. Well, you ready to give it a go? We're ready to mix one up and taste it for everyone out there in YouTube land?
There you go. It comes in fruit punch, comes in blue raspberry, comes in watermelon. We're going to test out the watermelon.
Watermelon. 85 degrees today here where we're at, so watermelon is much called for and not in season to be purchased. So we're going to substitute that with a little
Bring
watermelon.
On summertime, right?
Bring it on. Bring on summertime.
Need a little bit of water.
Need a little
You're going to do 1 scoop with about 6 to 8 ounces. You can actually take it up. You know, if you do 2 scoops, which is a full serving, you'll take it up in water. You can make it as tart or as bland as you want. It depends on your desires, but let's give it a little bit more.
You want a little bit more? A little more go juice.
Yeah, we're going to split this. So. All right, we're going to shake it up in a blender bottle.
Check out Brad's shake technique.
Uh-oh, spillage.
Oh, shake technique.
So you gotta make sure you get that click on the blender bottle. That click's important. All right, so that's it. That's all you need to do. A little bit of foam on the top, but as you can see, it's nice and clear. And that's the instantized, micronized BCAAs right there for you. There's no
pretty much no floaties in there whatsoever.
I mean, I like it. There's no artificial colors either.
A little bit of foam on top, but other than that,
that's going to subside here as it dies down. But let's see how it tastes.
Let's do it. Let's get it on. Got a couple of our Team Planetary Nutrition sponsored athletes that are currently using this product right now. So when we head to those competitions in, let's see, when is that?
There'll be a couple in April, and then we have a couple in May and a couple in June.
So. Absolutely. So they'll be showcasing what this can do for you from a workout standpoint at that point. All right, ready?
Here he goes. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh yeah. What flavor? Watermelon?
So it's a bland taste. I do taste the watermelon after I drink it a couple of times.
Yeah, it tastes kind of like a little bit like a now and later sort of watermelon flavor.
Yeah, it's very smooth, very easy to drink. No grittiness whatsoever. So this is really just, I mean, it tastes almost like a flavored water.
It's like water. Yeah, and if you were to probably get this and other products that you want to take intra-workout the same flavor, you probably mix it together and never know the difference.
That's right. So there you go, guys. Don't forget, the links are below. Check it out. If you got any comments or questions, let us know.
Subscribe, tweet, check us out on all of our different social channels. Go to planetarynutrition.com, order it up, we'll get it out to you today.
There you go, because real knowledge
is real